In a country torn by civil war and slavery, there lies a tale of exceptional perseverance, moral steadfastness, and unyielding leadership. The story of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of the United States, stands as a towering testament to dedication in the face of adversity, compassion amidst division, and the pursuit of equality. Born on February 12, 1809, in a humble log cabin in Kentucky, Lincoln's early life was marked by hardship and self-education. His thirst for knowledge was unquenchable. He voraciously read any book he could lay his hands on, shaping his keen mind and moral compass. Lincoln's path to politics was not straightforward. Before his political career, he worked as a shopkeeper, surveyor, and lawyer, honing his skills in argumentation and public speaking. His entry into politics was driven by a deep-seated belief in preserving the Union and the fundamental principles of democracy. Elected as the president in 1860 amidst a nation on the brink of division, Lincoln faced the monumental task of navigating the Civil War, striving to maintain the integrity of the United States. Through his leadership, he issued the Emancipation Proclamation in 1863, declaring the freedom of all enslaved persons in Confederate-held territory, a daring move that redefined the purpose of the war and marked a crucial step towards the abolition of slavery. Lincoln's vision extended beyond the battlefield. He sought to bind the nation's wounds and promote reconciliation between the North and South. His legacy is immortalized in the Gettysburg Address, a speech that eloquently captured the essence of American democracy and the sacrifice made for its preservation. Tragically, Lincoln's life was cut short by an assassin's bullet on April 14, 1865, just days after the end of the Civil War. His death was a profound loss to a nation he had worked tirelessly to unite and heal. Abraham Lincoln left behind a legacy of freedom, equality, and unity that continues to inspire generations. His life story serves as a reminder of the enduring impact one individual can have on the course of history and the power of leadership grounded in moral conviction and empathy.